It's smart to prepare for an economic storm. But how? Fear says hunker down and hang on to your money until the storm passes. But a recent article by Deloitte suggests that the most resilient companies make targeted capital investments through a downturn. Why? To become more efficient, better able to weather the storm, and at the same time build capacity for the eventual recovery. With this in mind, we made a list of 6 efficiencies that a van ladder can help you capture. Efficiency number 1, labor savings on small sign installations.
I really think in a matter of 3-4 years, this truck will pay for itself with not sending 2 vehicles to every job and every location.
Efficiency number 2, initial and ongoing truck expenses.
I've got a number of cranes, and the problem with the cranes is the initial expense, and the maintenance is very high. And to use them to install something that this unit could install isn't practical.
Efficiency number 3, the ability to have everything organized and on the truck.
It is easily capable of allowing me to keep every product that I need, along with all the tools required, to make sure that I can run a job efficiently.
Efficiency number 4, maximum equipment uptime.
So I tell my guys to get on the phone with them and troubleshoot with Van Ladder and see if you can fix it yourself before you're down. And 9 out of 10, we fixed it on site and the guy was able to keep going.
Efficiency number 5, the Chariot bucket, along with all of its accessories, makes your installers more productive.
Generally, I get a letter set done in about an hour. And in fact, GC at one of the jobs says, "Man, you guys are like super experienced in this." And I think it was like only the second time we'd used the truck. And but everything just flowed. Everything just worked incredibly well. And so, yeah, it's made us a lot more efficient.
And finally, efficiency number 6, the van ladder doubles as a traveling billboard.
Since we purchased the ladder, we have grown our business by more than 25%. On installs alone, it's a marketing tool for us, because we have gotten so many calls from people that have seen us doing installations, that have seen the truck out, and they call us. "How did you hear about Image 360? Oh, I saw the truck installing X, Y, and Z sign." And that it has been amazing for the growth of our business.
Could these 6 efficiencies create enough cost savings and added revenues to pay for a new truck? Isn't it worth exploring?